Hello, finally everybody. It's 2:45 and 20 seconds on May 27th. Hope everybody's enjoying their Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to get a quick one up because I knew this was going to fill quickly, and it did. It basically filled in, I think, 7 or 8 minutes. This is not me being rude to anybody, but as always, I explain. You ask for a spot. I confirm that you have the spot. Payment is due immediately. I could have gotten this thing off about 40 minutes ago. I'm trying to get back to my little get together that I have going on as well. As I said, I knew this was going to be done quickly in about 10 minutes. Should have everybody paid on time. Now listen, I'm sure you guys are at your barbecues and everything as well. But if you want to participate, regardless of where you are, I do need payment immediately. I tried to reach out via private message. I tagged you numerous times. Again, not trying to come down on you, not being rude, just stating the facts. So I do have to move on. So here we are. Here are the now 10 filled spots for this. I'm going to roll our 3 dice just to let everybody know. Obviously, it is a holiday weekend. This is not going to ship until Tuesday the 29th. The number is 11. And finally, here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the final one. 11, spot 4, Brad Neal. Congratulations. Time is just turning 2:47.